In the previous section, I explained the cyber threat landscape of the financial institutions and explained how these threats affect organizations and individuals with examples. This section will present the cybersecurity challenges for financial institutions. Security teams in financial institutions face many challenges due to the growing and evolving cyber threat landscape. These challenges increase the cyber risks faced by the financial industry, and understanding them is crucial to be resilient against cyber threats. These challenges are linked and require to be addressed in a holistic approach.